What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a factory carrier unlock. I have unlocked hundreds of phones using this method and for me it's my favorite. It works perfectly. What a carrier unlock does, it allows you to use your phone with different providers. If you travel and if you want to switch SIM cards from a different company anywhere in the world, you just simply go ahead, you put your SIM card into your phone and your phone will work without any issues. So we're going to begin. The first thing you have to do is to open your phone's application, just as if you were going to make a call. And then you have to get the phone's IMEI number. Alright, so to get the phone's IMEI number, we're going to dial *#06#. As you will see, your 15-digit number will appear in the screen of your phone. Now with this number in hand, we're going to go to the computer.
We're going to use this website to request the unlock code to unlock this phone. So first you need to fill in the information about the phone you want to unlock in this form. The processing times may always vary, so be very patient. It may be very fast sometimes, but sometimes it may also take a little bit longer, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so after you have waited the estimated amount of time, you're gonna get an email, and I'm gonna show you how the email will look like.
And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.